Hello and welcome to the first of our series of recorded Zoom calls. My name is David Schweizer, and today we are speaking with Brian Harlan, who is the owner of Distinctive Homes located in Kennett Square, Pennsylvania. Brian and his family have been building and renovating homes locally for over 3 generations. So if you're a homeowner in Chester or Delaware County and in the market for a stucco replacement, or you've just been eyeing up a home renovation project, Brian is here to help. Hello, Brian.
Good to see you, Dave. Thanks for having me.
Brian, thank you for joining. We have just been extended to June 4th in our lockdown in Pennsylvania. So I think it's important to ask you, is Distinctive Homes officially back to work in Pennsylvania at this point?
We are, Dave. All of our crews are 100% back at it, and we're very happy about that.
Excellent. And we know you've been in the construction and renovation business for quite a long time now. Can you give me a quick breakdown of what other services you offer?
Sure, Dave. We do everything residential, inside and out. So whether you need new roof, windows, and siding, or bathroom and kitchen renovation, we've got the best technicians in the business. And that's what you can expect from us.
Excellent. But above and beyond that, Brian, the hot topic that I know you've been fielding a lot of questions about is stucco remediation. Can you give us an idea of the difference between stucco removal and stucco repair?
Sure. So the problem with patching high moisture reading areas on a home, stucco patching, is that there's no guarantee that those patches will hold up to future failure unless the entire wall is done from the foundation all the way to the roof. And if you do go with a repair, you're still left with a stucco home, which has a stigma attached to it. Now, in my opinion, the complete removal of the stucco and replacement with a siding product, whether it be vinyl or fiber cement, is a wiser investment. It's been very common to see homes that have had tens of thousands of dollars of stucco patchwork done. After moisture testing has been done, it'll fail again just 5 years later. And the owner is right back in the same situation, but now they've got the sale of their home being held up, money in escrow, or they've lost the money that they've already spent.
There seems to be a lot that is involved with stucco, and I wanted to thank you for taking a couple minutes just to provide some insight about your company, Distinctive Homes. Of course, the answers to these very commonly asked questions really require a consultation to get a firmer understanding and education about how to get the most out of your next project. So we're going to encourage you to speak further with Brian and his team at your convenience. And until next time, we wish you and your family the best and hope to safely meet you soon.